Ever found that perfect item on Amazon, the one you absolutely need right now, but payday feels like a distant dream? We've all been there, scrolling through endless possibilities only to be met with the reality of our current bank balance. It's a frustrating experience, that desire colliding with financial timing. This leads many of us to explore alternative payment methods, those that bridge the gap between wanting and waiting. One such service that's been gaining traction is Beforepay. It positions itself as a way to access a portion of your upcoming paycheck early, offering a potential solution for those moments when you need a little extra financial flexibility. It's designed to help you cover immediate expenses without resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards. The premise is simple: connect your bank account, and Beforepay assesses your eligibility to receive an advance on your wages. This advance is then repaid automatically on your next payday. So, with this growing popularity and the undeniable convenience it offers, a very natural question arises for the millions of Amazon shoppers out there. Can you actually use Beforepay to fund your purchases on the world's largest online marketplace? It's a valid and important question for anyone looking to leverage this type of financial tool for their online shopping needs. Let's dive into the specifics. Amazon, as a global e-commerce giant, supports a wide array of payment methods. You're likely familiar with the standard options: credit cards, debit cards, Amazon gift cards, and even direct bank transfers in some regions. They've also embraced newer technologies like Apple Pay and various buy now pay later services. This openness to different payment solutions reflects their commitment to catering to a diverse customer base. However, when it comes to Beforepay, the answer, unfortunately, isn't a straightforward yes. As of my last update, Amazon does not directly integrate with Beforepay as a recognized payment method at checkout. You won't find it listed alongside your Visa, MasterCard, or American Express options. This means you can't simply select Beforepay during the payment process and have the funds directly deducted from your Beforepay balance. But hold on, does this mean it's entirely impossible to use your Beforepay funds for Amazon purchases? Not necessarily. There's a potential workaround, albeit an indirect one. Since Beforepay typically deposits the advanced funds directly into your linked bank account, if you have a debit card associated with that account, you could, in theory, use that debit card on Amazon. In this scenario, the funds you received from Beforepay would be sitting in your bank account, ready to be used via your debit card for your Amazon transaction. It's crucial to understand that this isn't a direct integration. You're not paying with Beforepay on Amazon, you're paying with funds that originated from a Beforepay advance but are now in your traditional bank account. This distinction is important. So, while Amazon doesn't explicitly accept Beforepay as a payment method, the funds you receive from Beforepay can potentially be used indirectly through your linked bank account's debit card. Keep in mind that this relies on you having a debit card associated with the bank account you've connected to Beforepay. As the landscape of financial technology continues to evolve, it's always possible that partnerships and integrations between services like Beforepay and major retailers like Amazon could emerge in the future. However, for the time being, the direct answer to whether Amazon accepts Beforepay is no. Your best bet is to utilize the funds deposited into your bank account via your linked debit card if you wish to use your Beforepay advance for your Amazon purchases. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.